Hi everyone. I just want to talk about the um, recent release that we've had. 10th of May, 2022, Monday, today, and we have made some changes to the email editor, made it easier to use, and um, addressed a lot of the concerns that our users have. So I just built this called MindFind newsletter a few hours ago and saved it here. Primary items that we've addressed here are background colors and positioning of text and image within each of these blocks. So let's first talk about the background color of the overall email. And as you know, we used to have just a transparent white background. Now you can choose any background you want. Um, I'm just choosing that. Um, and you can also change the coloring of different items here. And these colors are, you can always change the block color. You can also adjust the block sizes. The default is 600, which used to be the only size available, but now you can increase that. And of course now that looks ugly, so I am going to change the block color and maybe make it black. um, okay, so something like, anyway, I'm going to go back to the default size. That was just to demonstrate how it works. With that said, now let us go to the individual cells, and again you have better control over each of the cell content. Let me demonstrate that to you guys with here. Let me remove this image and bring some text over here. So with that, I have actually saved some lorem ipsum text here that I'm going to copy and paste in that section. Okay. All right. So now I'm going to go change the background color. You can just use the color picker. That's ugly. I'm going to type it in here because I'm going to use the MindFast default color, and I'm also going to then change the text to look white. Okay. Now with that said, notice that we also now have control to make it top aligned or bottom aligned or center aligned. We used to have just the center aligned as the only option. So I'm going to make this top aligned, and now I want to put a button here. So in order to put the button, I will have to add an empty block over here and bring the not the CTA button but a regular button and drop it over here. Now this button, I'm going to change the background color of the button to black. Oops, sorry. Yeah, there you go. And I'm also going to change. So now it becomes completely orange and black. But now I want to bring the button down a little because it's too high up. So there's a few ways to deal with that. But before I do that, let me go change the text here. There was one complaint that you did not have any control over the making bold, the button text bold. So yes, the button text is now bold. And you can also, this has always been there, you can also make the button more round. Now this padding and all, we've always had that, but here's the margin, and I can use the margin to bring the button down. And once I've done that, there, it looks beautiful now. Once you preview it, you can see, and obviously I haven't put a link on it yet, but once I do that, let's see, contact us, and I'm going to put https colon mindfinding.com, and that's it. So there you go, preview. That should take us to mindfinding.com. Yes, it's all working nicely. When you look at the, yeah, there you go. it shows up in your, that's how it's going to show up in your mobile phone. So that's about it. Let us know through the support hotline if you have any questions. Thank you very much. Bye bye.